Hi, Charlie Jones, tech support with SurgeX, here to talk about our exciting new family of Axess products. Axess being code word in SurgeX lingo for all of our IP-enabled solutions. Everything from small little flat panel products all the way up to our rack mount units, including our new flagship Axess Elite. With any of our Axess products, we can monitor the energy consumption of the box as a whole, but with our new Axess Elite, we can now monitor the energy consumption down to the individual outlet level. This can be perfect for those applications where maybe we're trying to get LEED certification or green tax credits, because we can set up different events to happen based off energy consumption. There's a temperature probe that's included in the unit that you can actually place in the rack and say, hey, if the rack temperature gets to be above 85 degrees, maybe turn on the rack fans. Temperature continues to climb, gets to be above 95 degrees, send me an email. Let me know that I've got some other problem going on. We could even go a step further and start shutting off outlets. And all that logic is based and stored in the unit. The best part is the unit is completely configurable from any web browser. No Java, no Flash, just good old-fashioned HTML, so you can set it up from your iPad. We've also added a contact closure input and 2 relay outputs that you can use to do whatever you would like. We can maybe tie it in with our control system or that big master reset button at the top of the rack that the customer's supposed to hit before they give you a call. Every Axess Elite has its own IP address, username, and password, so you can quickly see where maybe if we've got 100 different application installations or maybe 30 different units in a building, there could be a little bit of an administrative headache. That's where our Cervella platform comes in. Cervella sits on the network and monitors and controls access to all of our IP-enabled solutions and can even be expanded to monitor and control all the IP devices on the system, SurgeX or not. Cervella uses SAM, or the Secure Access Manager, to store the username, password, and IP address of every device. And that can be also defined by particular users or even date and time. So that if you have somebody that maybe leaves the company, no big deal. We can remove their access. They never knew the IP address and username of all the individual devices. Cervella can not only ping devices, but also pull devices, and even has a full SNMP and MIP compiler capability built on board. So we can actually track bandwidth utilization of the individual ports on any particular switch from any manufacturer out there. The best part is all that information is aggregated together and stored for 13 months so that you have the capability of not only seeing what's happening right now, but what's happened a year ago today. We definitely encourage you to come by our booth and check out more about the SurgeX family of products.
And you guys are still blowing stuff up this year.
Absolutely. We brought Big Bertha, 6,000 volts, 3,000 amps. Bring it by, we'll be happy to blow it up and show you what makes SurgeX a little different from everybody else out there.
All right, so check out SurgeX at booth 5261 at CEDIA Expo.
Thank you guys.